Welcome back, everyone. You may be getting this issue on your iPhone where for some reason it tells you you have a locked account. Now, whether you have an Android or iOS, this can happen on pretty much any operating system. So the first thing you want to do is to pretty much understand that it's totally okay. Your account is not going to get deleted or anything like that. But to unlock your specific account, what you'll have to do is pretty much know the username, password, and any other information associated with your account. And all you want to do is make your way over to your internet browser, and you want to go ahead and type in Snapchat account locked. Now you want to find the official support.snapchat.com page. If it's not this one, don't click on it. You want to find this one, which should be one of the first ones that come up. And you want to go and click on My Account is Logged. Now it's going to walk you through exactly the process of what's going on, but there's going to be a link that you're going to have to go through. So it's going to tell you why, typically your account gets logged and all these other things. But right here, where it says your account has been permanently locked, it says if you attempt to unlock your account, all you have to do is go and click on that hyperlink and you'll be able to come into this page. It may prompt you to log in, but pretty much all you have to do is go here and you will find this unlock my account little option. You can also jump straight to this website if you want to, accounts.snapchat.com, but I just would tell you to recommend going to that website first and read through it. And then what you can do is go and click on unlock my account. It's going to tell you to log in again. And all you have to do at this point is pretty much once you're at this page, you just have to kind of scroll through, read this, thoroughly, and you want to go and click I'm not a robot, and you want to go and click unlock. And that is pretty much the process. That's really all you have to do. There's really not much else to it. Just click, the little option here, click unlock, and that is pretty much it. Your account will then be unlocked. So that's the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.